With the beginning of the festive season, do try this carrot and makhana kheer, which can be made with few simple ingredients. Start by roasting few nuts of choice in ghee. Here I have roasted some cashews and pistachios. Roast them on low flame for a minute or so and continuously stir it so that they don't burn. In the same pot, roast raisins till they swell. This will only take about 30 seconds, but do make sure to keep the flame low. Now in the same pan add 1 teaspoon of ghee and roast the makhanas for 2-3 minutes till they are a little bit crunchy. Then just grind them and keep them aside. Now in a separate pot add 1 teaspoon of ghee, add 2 grated carrots and saute it for a minute and add milk. As the milk starts boiling, keep stirring it in between. After 2-3 minutes, add those roasted nuts, some saffron soaked in milk, cardamom powder, and some sugar. Simmer it for a few more minutes till the kheer is done and little creamy. This should take more 5 to 7 minutes. Then you can serve it simply in a bowl or give it a twist by putting some milk foam on the top and garnishing it as you like. I have used a milk frother to make this foam. And for garnishing, I have used few more roasted nuts, rose petals, and gold leaf. Do give this a try and let me know in comments how do you like it. Also, please subscribe, like, and share my channel.